We at McCarthy Fingar pride ourselves on our traditions of involvement in the community. The firm's beginnings go back over 65 years.
Our mediation and arbitration practice group offers our clients an opportunity to resolve disputes in a confidential, cooperative, and cost-effective manner. Our group includes the Honorable Sandra Miller, Adam Krim, Abby Rose-Marin, and Kristen Panisi. Prior to joining McCarthy Fingar as Chief Counsel, Judge Miller served for 21 years as a family court, Supreme Court, and appellate division judge. Abby comes to us with a background in law, mental health, and conflict resolution. Adam Krim is an experienced attorney, negotiator, and life coach. Kristen Panisi has focused her practice in family and matrimonial law.
In mediation, the mediator, acting as a neutral, facilitates conversation between people who disagree. Mediation allows people to create their own agreements rather than someone else deciding for them. At McCarthy Fingar, mediations focus on what is best based on the interests of the parties.
Arbitration, like mediation, is a voluntary resolution process. In arbitration, the arbitrator renders a binding decision. Arbitration is a private and less expensive alternative to the public and more formal nature of court proceedings.
For me, mediation is much more than an alternative to litigation. It's actually a communication process that stands on its own. Mediation can address a wide range of conflicts. As a lawyer, I'm trained to analyze information. As a mental health professional, I try to understand people. Conflict can be disorienting. I am skilled at working with people who feel misunderstood, ignored, or dismissed. I also know that people want resolution so they can move on with their lives.
My experience as an attorney and a certified professional coach has trained me in synthesizing diverse viewpoints. Having lived and worked in Israel for many years, I appreciate the importance of a broad-based perspective when dealing with conflict. What inspires me most about mediation is the power of this process to help people resolve their disputes while finding common ground on which to base their agreements.
Having seen the emotional and financial damage to families caused by prolonged and bitter divorce litigation, I see mediation as a better way to resolve matrimonial disputes. My goal as a mediator is to empower clients to resolve their parenting and financial issues by finding a solution that works for both of them, a win-win outcome.
My 21 years as a judge has been invaluable. I understand the price paid by the litigating parties, their families, and their children. I recognize that judges' credibility and interpretations often differ, sometimes resulting in uncertain and inequitable outcomes. My mantra is, stay out of court if possible.
We can help people resolve conflicts in a variety of areas. Our goal is to minimize both emotional stress and financial cost.